Jane, have you seen Nancy today?
Yes, I saw her an hour ago.
Is she still in the building now?
No, I think she went to meet Steve.
Wasn't I supposed to meet Steve?
Yes, you both had that meeting.
I'm still stuck at the airport here.
Oh no. Is your flight delayed?
Yes. It's not leaving for an hour.
That's stressful. Steve has been waiting.
Could you tell him for me?
I would, but he already left.
Really? He left the office?
Yes. He waited over an hour.
I feel terrible about this delay.
It happens. You couldn't control it.
I need to reschedule that meeting.
Should I try calling Nancy now?
Yes, please. Let her know too.
Okay, let me check her status.
I hate keeping people waiting long.
Everyone understands flight delays happen sometimes.
Steve might be upset about this.
He looked a little frustrated earlier.
Can you text him for me?
Sure. What do you want to say?
Say, John's flight was delayed unexpectedly.
Got it. Should I add more?
Yes. Say, he apologizes sincerely.
Adding that. Anything else to include?
Ask if he's available later online.
Like a virtual meeting on Zoom?
Exactly. Just a short update call.
Okay. I'll send that right now.
Thank you, Jane. You're a lifesaver.
No worries. Happy to help always.
I'll also try calling Steve directly.
Good idea. Personal calls show responsibility.
This delay threw off my whole day.
Travel always comes with surprises, unfortunately.
I should have flown out last night.
Hindsight is always clear, isn't it?
Yeah. I'll plan better next time.
You still handled this very professionally.
I just hate keeping people waiting.
At least you communicated it quickly.
Did Steve say anything before leaving?
Just that he couldn't wait longer.
Did he seem really upset then?
Honestly? Just slightly. Not too bad.
Maybe I'll send him an email.
That would be a great backup.
What subject line would you suggest?
How about apologies and meeting update?
Perfect. Short and clear. I'll use it.
Want help writing the message too?
Yes, that would be really helpful.
Okay. Start with a short apology.
Dear Steve, I apologize for today.
Good. Add reason right after that.
My flight was delayed by weather.
Great. Now suggest new time options.
Would you be free this afternoon?
Nice. Should we offer 2 times?
Yes. I'll say 3 p.m. or 4:30.
Looks good. End with appreciation.
Thank you for your time and understanding.
Perfect. Now send it before calling.
Done. Email sent just now.
I'll follow up on my side too.
Did Nancy reply to your message?
Not yet. I'll try calling her now.
Thanks again, Jane. You're amazing.
Just doing my job, John.
Still, your help means a lot.
Happy to help coworkers anytime.
I owe you coffee when I return.
Make that 2 coffees. Deal?
Deal. It's a promise now.
I'll remind you when you land.
You think Nancy will be upset?
Honestly? She's usually understanding.
I just hope we can reschedule.
Worst case, next week or online today.
I hope they don't cancel it completely.
That's unlikely. You were communicative throughout.
Some clients aren't that patient though.
True, but Steve seems reasonable enough.
Has he missed meetings before himself?
Once or twice due to traffic.
So, he knows travel delays happen.
Exactly. You're not the first one.
That makes me feel a bit better.
That's what I'm here for, reassurance.
Do we have any other meetings today?
Only one, but it's internal.
I might miss that one too.
Want me to take notes?
Please. Just the key decisions only.
Got it. I'll summarize everything important.
How's the office today, by the way?
Pretty quiet without you here, honestly.
Guess I bring the chaos, huh?
Maybe a little, but good chaos.
Well, I miss the coffee machine.
And we miss your sarcastic comments.
Don't worry, I'll be back tomorrow.
Hopefully with better flight luck too.
I'm checking the gate every 5 minutes.
Stay calm. Delays are out of control.
I just want to land already.
You will. Just breathe and wait.
I'm worried about client trust slipping.
You handled this better than most would.
Thank you, Jane. Truly appreciate that.
You always back others, now it's you.
I never expected to be that guy.
It's your turn for some empathy.
Fair enough. I'll accept it today.
Good. You're learning flexibility and patience.
I hope Steve checks his messages.
If not, try calling again shortly.
I'll give him another 10 minutes.
Let me know if you reach him.
Will do. My phone's charging now.
Smart. You'll need full battery later.
The airport Wi-Fi isn't helping either.
Classic. Always cuts out when urgent.
I might draft a follow-up message too.
Want help reviewing it again?
Yes. You're a great writing partner.
Ha! I'll add that to resume.
Crisis email specialist, maybe?
Love it. New title unlocked.
I just hope this ends soon.
I'm rooting for you over here.
I need that good office energy.
Sending positive vibes from your desk.
Is my plant still alive, though?
Define alive? Just kidding, it's fine.
You're scaring me there, Jane.
Relax. I watered it yesterday morning.
My one trusted desk companion.
It's greener than your flight status.
Ouch. That was cold, but fair.
Just a little office humor relief.
Thank you for keeping things light.
It's important to stay positive, right?
Absolutely. Even when everything goes wrong.
Exactly. You've got the right mindset.
Still no update on departure time.
Try asking the airline desk directly.
I'll go check in 5 minutes.
Hopefully it won't be another delay.
If it is, I'm changing careers.
Something with zero travel requirements?
Exactly. Like office plant caretaker maybe.
I'll recommend you for that job.
Thanks. I'll start with my desk cactus.
You two will get along well.
Okay, I just got a text.
From Steve or the airline now?
Steve. He replied to the email.
And what did he say exactly?
No problem. Let's meet at 4:30.
Wonderful. That's such a relief now.
Yes. Finally, something goes right today.
See? Good communication always pays off.
I owe you that coffee big time.
2 coffees. Don't forget our deal.
Can I get you a muffin too?
Deal's getting sweeter by the minute.
Thanks again, Jane. Couldn't do this alone.
We're a team. Always here for you.
I'll text you once I board.
Please do. I want updates.
Hopefully, no more delays after this.
Fingers crossed. Safe travels, John.
Thanks. Talk soon and take care.
You too. We'll see you soon.